In today's video, we will discuss what an export business plan is, what its purpose is, and what important sections make up a successful export business plan.
If you want to start international trade, this information is extremely important for you.
An export business plan explains how a company will sell its products in international markets, which countries it will target, and what resources it will use to achieve its goals. An export business plan is a strategic and technical document that guides a company's international business operations. It helps the company make better decisions and provides a clear direction for global business expansion. Let's review the export timelines.
An export business plan brings together management and marketing tools, organizes company capabilities, sets a clear timeline and strategy, and analyzes costs and benefits.
The first section of an export business plan is the executive summary. It highlights the key points of the plan, including business details, target markets, and a summary of financial projections. This section explains the company's history, product offerings, unique advantages, and business performance. It also explains the reasons behind the company's decision to start exporting. Market research is a crucial part of an export business plan. It includes identifying target countries, analyzing market conditions, studying customer demand, and evaluating competition.
The export business plan includes a marketing strategy with four main elements: product strategy, pricing strategy, distribution strategy, and promotion strategy.
Legal considerations are very important in international trade. These include trademark protection, copyright protection, international certifications like ISO standards, and export registration requirements.
Financial planning includes analyzing cash flow, investment requirements, operational costs, and expected profits to ensure the business remains financially stable.
In conclusion, an export business plan acts as a roadmap for companies entering international markets.
A well-prepared plan helps businesses reduce risks, identify opportunities, and achieve long-term success in global trade.